I've been thinking about our story and how we're gonna meet. It could be in an empty bar or on a crowded street. Well, it might be at a party or maybe through a friend. It could be on the internet. It doesn't matter in the end. I know your love will rescue me. I know your love will help me breathe. And I will find my missing piece. And your love will rescue me. You'll rescue me. Maybe I will take you dancing, or we can walk along the beach. Head down to our local pub and throw back 2 shots each. I promise to be good to you. I'll help you chase your dreams. We can both take on the world and make our memories. I know your love will rescue me. I know your love will help me breathe. And I will find my missing piece. And your love will rescue me. I know I haven't met you yet, but babe, it's just a matter of time. And one thing is for certain, you and I, we're gonna collide. I know your love will rescue me. I know your love will help me breathe. And I will find my missing piece.